Hello, Stephanie Swafford, Rapid Bodymind Clarity here. Let's talk about palate cleansers. Often it's a sorbet between courses at a somewhat formal meal. It tends to be something like a lemon sorbet. The citrus scrubs the palate. The water in the sorbet washes the palate. And it's a built-in transition between one course and the next course. So call it what you will. My question is, do you have palate cleansers in your life that allow you to cleanly transition from one project to the next, from this meeting to the next, from the end of your day into getting ready for bed? You can break it down throughout your day. Palate cleansers. What kind of palate cleansers do you need? Are you limited to only certain palate cleansers? Do they do what you need them to do? We could go back 80 years. Coca-Cola had this famous slogan, the pause that refreshes. Now, here's a moment where you can separate the message from the messenger. I'm not implying you need to have a carbonated drink or drink Coca-Cola. The piece is, do you build in pauses in your day from moment to moment that refresh you? If not, what is that about? If so, share with us so we can learn a different way to cleanse our palates. I'm at rapidbodymindclarity.com. Wander over, let's have a conversation, shall we? Until next time. Cheers.